Hey everybody, welcome to the carving yard. We are here getting ready to carve up a moose out of this piece. If everything goes to plan, it'll be a welcome moose. This is half a log. Just so you guys can see, it's not huge, you know, across. It's a good sized chunk. But yeah, split that. So what we're gonna do is a moose like standing up on two legs, an arm over a welcome sign. This will be his rack, all that kind of stuff. If you guys haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all, turn on your YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss any future uploads. You guys, if you're learning a chainsaw carve or you want to learn, I've got a bunch of tutorials to teach you how, walk you through step by step, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in that, again, you're going to want to hit subscribe. And if you're here to check out the moose, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and yeah, let's start making some sawdust. There he is, guys. Moose all blocked out. We're gonna move him over to the carving tent, my property, and clean him up with power tools and the battery saws. It's coming along pretty good though. If you guys are still here, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, we'll keep going. Well guys, here he is all done. Welcome moose, about 3 feet tall. It's all one piece. That's gonna be about it till he gets a little bit of clear coat. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave me a comment. Now, just so you know, this was carved out of half a log, so he's flat on the back, which makes it perfect because like on the porch, you can butt it right up to your house or your camp, which is always a nice thing. He doesn't exactly have to be a corner piece because he's like a full round circle, but this is it. This is the piece. He'll just need to get some clear coat and he'll be ready to go. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.